Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on to share with you a memory Dex share. These are my two memory Dex storages with all my memory Dexes in them. They're kind of sorted a little bit strangely. These are my memory Dexes that are available on my Etsy. These are ones that people have sent to me or aren't available on my Etsy. So I'm going to go through and show you one from each side and kind of just go like that till I've shown you all of them. So stay tuned to see my memory Dexes. So the first memory Dex that I have is this 3D hot air balloon memory Dex. It is very chunky, but I love it so much. So this is not available on my Etsy store. It is just decorated with fresh bouquet, and I just think it's so simple and so pretty. Then I have this handbag memory Dex. This is available on my Etsy. It is a full handbag and it looks so fun. I made it just as a nice decor piece for my art room, but a thing that you can do with it is you can use it as a little gift. So you can gift like Happy Mail in it, or you gift gift cards for your family and friends. So I love this one so much. This is a memory Dex that I use for my loaded star embellishments. I have a tutorial on how to make these for circles as well. I think they're stars as well, and they're just a really fun layered star embellishment, and I wanted to turn it into a memory Dex, so I just used my memory Dex punch and added it onto the back, as you can see, and it turned out really cute. Because I loved my first hot air balloon memory Dex so much, I wanted to make an SVG for one. This one is not thick, it's flat. So this is available on my Etsy, and it is a hot air balloon. So it comes with the pieces here and then the layering pieces. I just love it so much. I think it's beautiful. This would be amazing as a Happy Mail gift and also just a decor piece in your craft room. This is a letter J memory Dex that I received from my pen pal Catherine. I think she may have used her, she's a silhouette. I think she may have used her silhouette to decorate it, and it just looks so fun. This was actually the first memory Dex I ever received and kind of got me hooked on making them. So I love this one so much and has a bit of a special place in my heart. I have this a really simple birdhouse memory Dex. This is available on my Etsy store, and I just decorated it up with the bird here. It's really fun and simple. I really want to remake it and kind of make it as like a spooky theme and then put a shaker here. That's an idea that I have. This is the first memory Dex I ever made. I remember making it and posting it on Instagram, and people were just thought it was so pretty, so I was so proud of myself. So I just used some circles and laid them up and then punched it with my memory Dex die and just decorated it up here. This still, even though this is my first one, I still think it's so nice, and I'd love to remake it one day. Next I have this really simple flower one. This is available on my Etsy. I wanted to make it as like a nice purple one. Purple is my favorite color. As you can see, I've got purple rings and I have purple earrings and purple necklaces, so I've never really crafted with purple. I find it really difficult, so I wanted to finally make something purple, which is why I decided to use this one here. This is a memory Dex that I made a few years ago now. This was the second one that I made. I do not like it. It is a shaker at the back. It's really hard to see, but I'm not happy with it. I think the way that my memory Dexes have progressed now is just, it's kind of unrecognizable, but it is nice to keep this one and to kind of have a reflection of how I've changed over the years. This is one from my Etsy store. It's really fun. It's a month of the year one, so I did it for December because when I made it, it was December. And I like this one. It's using the Busy Sidewalks collection. It's a bit messy on the back because I did some wire wrapping, and it's got a fun jingle bell on it. So I really like this one. What I started doing for a little bit was making memory Dexes for every collection that I had. So this was the one that I used for Fresh Bouquet. And I made a little sequins mix that kind of matched Fresh Bouquet, and I just decorated it up. I really do still love doing clear memory Dexes. They're just a little bit fiddly. Then one of my favorite memory Dexes I think I've ever designed. This is a 3-tiered cake memory Dex. This is available on my Etsy, and it's got little candles on the top, and it says beautiful. I'm so proud of this one, and I think it kind of shows for me like my progression of how I've changed as a crafter. Like going from this to this is just outstanding, and it's kind of fun to go back and compare. Then this is the shaker that I made to go with the Heritage collection. It's really cute and a nice fun like heritage inspired shaker. So I like this one, nice and simple. Then to go along with the months of the year, I also have a days of the week one. So this is for Sunday. It was Sunday on the day that I made it, so that's why I chose to print that. And I just did a sequence mix on the back to kind of give it more of a fun effect. So they are available on my Etsy. Then we're getting into the ones that people have made for me. This is a like almost a Polaroid one. This was made from Catherine. It's nice and chunky and it's in hollow, so it looks so fun, and her sequence mix is beautiful. And she's got a nice little charm on the side. Next I've got this cute simple butterfly one. This is available in my Etsy store. It's a layered butterfly, so it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers, and then the backing piece. So this one's really fun for garden party and other kind of ones like that. Then this was an embellishment that was sent to me, and I loved it so much that I decided to make it a memory Dex. So it's a giant like snow globe one, and it's got a really pretty sequence mix in it, if that's picking up. And it's a Christmas theme one, so like I said, I just used my memory Dex die and just dyed a piece and then stuck it on so that it could go into my memory Dex roller. I've got this fun mini gingerbread house one. This is available on my Etsy as well. Really cute. I like this one. It's simple but cute. It's made by a pen pal of mine, Heather. It's a nice Christmas one. She sent me this in our Advent swap. I love her little stitching detail that she did down the center, and that Santa is so cute. Then I have my own kind of Christmassy one. So this is available on my Etsy. It's a layered ornament one. So they're little ornaments, and I've just decorated it up like this. Then another Christmassy one that I have in my Etsy store is this cute elf boot memory Dex. I like this one a lot. Then this is another one that Heather sent to me in our Happy Mail swap that we did. It's just another fun one. She wrote her name on the back, so there's her information if you want to go look at her stuff. So really, I've got this fun star simple one. This is available on my Etsy. It's a simple set, so it comes with 5 different ones. Then I've got this Santa boot. I don't love how I decorated it, but it's still a cute one. This is available on my Etsy as well. All of my memory Dexes are $2.50. This is available in my Etsy as well. This is in a simple set as well. It's a nice heart one. Then I have this cute teapot. I never got around to decorating it because I never knew how to decorate it. I kind of just enjoy it being simple. This is available in my Etsy store. This is probably the memory Dex that I'm the most proud of as well. This is a haunted house one. This is very much inspired at Halloween time. Lots of people were doing haunted house ones, so I decided to make one. The die itself is available in my Etsy if you would like to check it out, but I love it because I decided to do hot glue on the glass so it looks like little spider webs, and then I did it all over the coffin. So it looks so cute. I love this one. Then I have a fun party hat one. This is also available in my Etsy store. It doesn't come with the word party time, but it comes with everything else. It's so cute. I really like this one as well. Another fun Halloween one. This is a cute witch's hat. This is available on my Etsy as well. I really like how I decorated this up. And I love the purple stitching around the outside, and then the nice little charm. I have this ice cream, also available in my Etsy store. It comes with all of this except for the fun word. So you can actually just print, like use your cut file to cut it out and use it as an embellishment as well. I have this one here which says learn. I made this to document on the back a photo that I had for back to school because I'm a teacher. So this is what I made it for. It comes with the learn word, I'm pretty sure, and then the pencil and then the layering pieces. So cute. Then I have this rainbow one. This is also available on my Etsy store. So it comes with the piece and then the rainbow layering. Very fun. Almost at the very end. This is the last one that someone's made for me. This was made by Catherine. As you can see, they're little drawers. I think this is from a tutorial. I'm not exactly sure what tutorial, but I think it is. But it looks so pretty. It's so chunky, so I really like this one. And lucky last is my flower one. This is a shaker, and this is available in my Etsy store as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this memory deck share. If you want to see more memory dexes, please go on over to my Instagram or check out my Etsy store where you can purchase them. The link is in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Bye!